I got two belts, yes I do. I got two belts, how about you? So, as I said, Grip6 was kind enough to send me two belts as a thank you for my unsolicited Grip6 socks review. And if you have not seen them, again, go check out the sock review and check out the socks because I really do like them. So, as I've shown you here in dramatic slow-mo with music, I've got the Grip6 work belt on right now. Not usually wearing a work belt when I'm out in the shop, but sometimes I feel like it would be necessary with a big tape measure and a couple of tools in your pocket like the knife and other stuff. So anyways, with the new belt, I figured it was time to pick up some new pouches, so that's what I'm doing with the cool Magna Grip from Home Depot, and I'm going to build a thing out here today. So let's do this. Alright folks, that is it. I hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoyed getting a chance to finally use the Grip6 work belt there. I've been using the regular belt for some time now, and I really like it. It stays locked in. It does not come loose. My pants stay up. Thank you again, Grip6, for that. Anyways, again, I appreciate it, folks. Go check out their website, grip6.com, and tons of varieties of colors and designs. You're going to really like them. So thanks again. Take it easy, folks. Grip6, I love you. Grip6, I love you. Grip6, I love you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.